from Sallie Tomato. Today is December 11th, so find the brown paper bag labeled December 11th, and there's a fun little message on the outside of the bag. It says, "Friends like you make this season special." So you'll want to hold on to this gift to use with day 12, so tomorrow, and any guess as to what the project may be. So let's see what's inside here, and then you might have a guess as to what tomorrow's project is. So here we have some metal corners. So you can use these on bags or home decor projects, hint, hint. And you get a set of 20. So there's 10 in each package. The color that you receive may vary from what I have in mind. So we wanted to make sure we gave out a variety for everybody to try and have a mix of hardware. So this is our antique finish, and these corners are durable, and I hope that you're excited to see how to use them tomorrow for a project idea. So I will see you then, where we'll reveal the projects.